Hi friends, welcome back to Excel tips and tutorials. Today we are going to learn another function, and the name of the function is rank function in MS Excel. It's known as rank function. This function is actually used to get the rank of a particular number among a list of numbers. Okay, so I will show you this. I will show you how this function works with a simple example, and the function is very simple. You can use it. Okay, so let us start with the example. For example, let's list out the marks of certain peoples. Okay, so let's name to the columns, name mark, and this is rank, and name can be Matthew, Akhil, Joe, uh, Smith, or anything like that. Okay, and we can give marks like 22, 24, 20, 21 and 18. Okay, see, now we have the column which is left blank, where we are going to apply the rank function. Okay, so the syntax of the function is like this: equal to rank, and make sure that the rank function is compatible only for the Excel 2007 version. So, but still it's works in this one also. Let's see, rank opening bracket. Okay, so we want to get the rank of this number, particular column E8 of 22. So click on that. Okay, so we are going to get the rank of this 22, and we have to give the um, reference order. Okay, so the reference order is from here 22 to 18. Okay, then close the bracket, click on enter. You got the number 2. That means 22 is ranked second among all these four numbers. Similarly, we can get the ranks of other numbers, so I am just showing it out here. Equal to rank rank of 24, the reference area. Yeah, 24 is ranked first among these numbers. And similarly, rank for this number, select that number and select the reference area, closing bracket. Yeah, 21 is ranked third, and we are going to get rank for this one, rank of 18, comma, and the reference area. Yes, 18 is ranked fourth, like it's the least ranked score in this table. So that means Smith has got the least rank, like fourth rank, and Akhil has got the first rank. So that's how we can calculate the rank of a particular series of numbers using the rank function in MS Excel. So I hope that you understood how to use this function, and I'm sure that this will be useful for you. So just try it out from your side using this simple formula. So till I come with my next video, please stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe so that you will get notifications of the new video that I upload on this channel. So till then, bye bye.